To use AI for photo editing on the Samsung Galaxy S26, well, first of all, you will have to open the gallery and pick this photo that you want to edit. Next, you will have to click on this icon, and all you have to do is just to click over here on this AI icon. So first of all, you can use AI eraser to remove almost anything from your photo. You can tap on that object and let AI to recognize it, or you can manually draw. Let's try with automatic selection by AI. So I want to remove this microfiber cloth. Let's click erase. And now we have to wait for a few seconds. It actually depends of how big are changes on your pictures or photos. And take a look. The result is pretty impressive. Now we can keep editing by clicking here. And now we can move some objects. So when you click here, you can tap or draw around anything that you want to move. So for example, I would like to move this part. So I have to just draw around this one like that. And it was recognized. So now I have to click and hold it, and I can put it wherever I want. For example, I will try to put it over here. Now, as you can see, we have to click to generate, and let's see how it's gonna fulfill this area in the right upper corner. I'm just wondering, and how it's gonna fit over here. If it's gonna give us some changes. Okay, here pretty good, but here I will like expect something with sharper objects. It's not that good, but maybe for you will be useful. Now let's go forward. You can also find the create option. So for example, we can type here whatever we want to add. So for example, we can add some objects into my desk. So what we can put here? Maybe so I think that it should actually put this on the empty area. I can even specify, I should say like in the right upper corner on the white desk, but I didn't, so it will be probably just put it wherever. And okay, it just put it on the case. It looks pretty nice. Okay, we can go forward, click keep editing, and here we can find a style. So as you can see, we can turn our photo, for example, into anime. Let's see how it's gonna handle with this kind of the photo. Okay, really nice actually. You can generate one more if you are not satisfied with current result. And that's all for this video. I hope you find it useful.